Right, welcome back people. So we're in the bathroom today. We've wired that cabinet up. We've wired our towel rail up. We've wired our lights up. We've wired the underfloor heating. Look, electricians do use dustpan and brushes. So we are going to get an inline fan put up in this loft. So where are we going to go now? Into the loft. Right, so we're using the XBL inline fan kit. There's our fan. Beautiful. So we're going to be using that. And that's it. Why are we not using all that? Tell us. So we're going to use this insulated ducting, which is going to stop our warm moist air turning to condensation before it gets outside. So there's our vent tile with that new bit of white felt around it. So we're going to click our bit of our vent in there, and then we're going to have our insulated duct is going to go down onto this upright here. That's where our extractor fan is going to be located. We're going to wire into that, and then our ducting is going to continue on down here and go through the ceiling in the bathroom downstairs. And we can just see that light there, and it's going to go just in line with that light just up there. Right, so there's our insulated duct. So now we're going to cut two bits out of that. It is 10 metres long and it is vacuum packed in that box. So this is our extractor fan. So we're going to cut two bits. We're going to have one bit there, and we're going to have another bit down there, and we'll get it taped on. So I've cut our two bits of duct into length. Now we're going to attach them to our fan. First of all, we're going to put our first bit on there, and now we're going to tape that up. Right, so the first bit's taped on. We use that tape there. So that is going to go to our extractor fan. Now the arrows are the airflow direction. So that's just to help us when we get up in the loft. So now we're going to get that second bit onto there. So that's both bits taped on. So now we're going to pull this insulation and this alley tape together to join up so we don't get any condensation in our fan. Like that. Now we're going to add a bit of that tape. Right, so that's all taped up. So now we're going to take that up into the loft, and that is where our arrows become key when we're upstairs because we can't see the direction on the fan. Right, so we're in the loft. There's our vent tile been taped on, so we've got the insulation pulled up like it is on the fan. There's our extractor fan, there's our joint froze extractor fan, and there's the bit going to go through the ceiling. Right, so we're over where our vent tile is. So there's our vent tile, there's our insulated duct, there's our extractor fan that we're going to wire up, and there goes our ducting with no tight bends or anything in it, and that is going to go down to our grill that we're going to drill in the ceiling. Right, so this is a bit of ceiling we're going to cut our hole in. How are we going to do that? I hear you ask. First step, the mighty Makita. Second step, we need a dade. Then we need a 100mm hole cutter. There's one, it's all set up. So we're going to get our hole drilled in the ceiling. So there's our extractor fan grill going out to our extractor fan and then off to our vent tile.